Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, we need to turn on the watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on our iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in Mibro Fit. Then tap the search button and you should see this application right here, Mibro Fit. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the button to install it. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Here we can allow or deny some permissions like location, Bluetooth. So basically we can allow or deny the app to use the Bluetooth. If you want to pair the devices, you need to allow it. Also ability to track the activities, we can allow it or deny it. And also it's a good time to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. As you can see on mine it is, but if it's disabled, enable it. And then we can go back to the app, tap on Open Mibro Fit, and here we can log in into account, or rather we need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account by tapping on registration rather, if you need to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on here, enter the email address, then tap right here, enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. Also, I didn't mention this before, but you can use the third-party applications or other accounts like Apple, Google, and I believe this is the QQ chat to log in if you want to. Okay, and once you're done entering the credentials, tap on login. Oh, you need to also check the box right here. It was automatically checked, but if it's not, you need to check it. And once you log in, you should see the home page of the application. Now, tap on the devices, tap on Add Device. The app should start looking for your watch and it should find the Mibro Air. Select it. Tap on Pair, tap on Complete. Here you can allow or deny the app to send the notifications to your watch. So if you want to get the notifications on your watch, allow it. If you don't, tap on Don't Allow. Tap on Complete, tap on Understood. And your Mibro Air should appear right here on the list of devices and it should say Connected. That means that the devices are paired. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.